Hey, I thought Jeff, our stream producer, put some numbers together for us about different channels that he thought would be really interesting for you all to see, like what's happening, who's watching, who's doing, who's looking at things, who's paying attention to things. So anyway, we thought we would just share some stuff with you. 200 people in here, people, volunteers, people raising their hands, people, guests who shared, either were in class or shared on the stream. About 200 people shared their perspectives this semester, and that's cool. That's a lot. It's a lot of folks. It's like for me, that's feels really nice. It's enjoyable to hear from so many people. The most in the class. Raul, you were number one. Then Dennis, Aiden, Lila, Robert. So that's cool. I don't know how Jeff. We keep track of all these things. So the 200 people doesn't mean we're not adding up those numbers on the right. It's 200 separate people. Next slide. 33 students spoke in class multiple times, so that's cool. That's nice. And over 4 million people joined in our conversation through YouTube alone. So that's cool. 30,000 people liked what you all were saying enough to hit subscribe. So that's cool. That's good. It's interesting. I teach a class out at the prison here locally. And I was there earlier today, and I met somebody who works at the prison. He's a retired military guy. He's does reentry work with prisoners, and he's not a CO, like a corrections officer or something, but watches the stream and watches it. A lot of his friends watch the stream, and people watch it, and people are, really fascinated by he's really very thankful, actually, that we put cameras in here and that he gets to hear your thoughts. And so that's cool. That, for me, that's a big victory, And he didn't say he likes to hear. He's really happy to hear what I have to say, because he's not. He really wants to hear what you all have to say. So here are the ages of folks tuning in. That's this semester. So you kind of really get a sense of things. There are a lot of folks your parents' age, your grandparents' ages, who are interested in what you have to say. So you may not be interested. They may not be interested. Your own parents or grandparents may not be interested in what you have to say, but other people's are. So that's kind of cool. Next one. What about gender? So it's basically 80% men, 20% women, and that's kind of standard for something like this on YouTube anyway, but this is YouTube and Instagram. Next one. People watch on their phones, but also smart TVs. That's really pretty common. So we're able to really track a lot of different things. Next one. 432 questions. So we have a way that, when you're watching live, you can just pop a question into the chat. And 432 questions popped up on the chat during class. So, you think about the times when you wanted to raise your hand, or you did, and maybe Dej got to you or he didn't get to you, but 432 other questions. So sometimes we put some of them up on the chat, but we only put a small fraction up, or on the screen, I should say. So that's pretty cool. Meaning, you're really provoking, providing people the opportunity to be thinking about a lot of things. The most popular class was the Charlie Kirk class. That had about 10 million views. Not just on our channel, but lots of other channels were pulling it down, and it could really, at some point we stopped tracking. It may be more like 15 million views, but either way, once you get over a few million, that's cool. That it really, across the board, that class was extremely positive, man. Really, people were really interested in it just got a really positive response because people were happy that you all were so thoughtful in thinking and the way you were thinking, just thinking about things, man. Next one. The most popular video of on any platform anywhere was Bad Bunny. And and I feel really good about that because that was a lot of these videos, they just kind of happen, but that one came to me as a really creative idea. So Bad Bunny. And but 5 million views on one of our shorts on Instagram. So that's the most viewed video we've ever had was about a 12 or 13 minute video that went viral in China, and it had, I think, 37 million views because it got on Weibo in China, like their version of Twitter, and it just we were every hour we were refreshing. It was like going up by 100,000 people. There are a lot of people in China, man. I didn't realize that. All right, next one. Okay, this is Jeff. This is Jeff pandering. I never ask anyone ever to subscribe to anything. I never have. I never will. But Jeff felt like you got to put that up, man. All right. Okay. So that's it, man. That's where we're at. That's just some stuff from this semester. So thanks for participating. Thanks for being part of that. And on behalf of, lots of other folks who are interested, I want to just offer a thanks. And, people send me a lot of, I get lots of emails. I get emails every day. The Israel-Palestine conversation, I got a few emails that said specifically thank the 2 student volunteers for having the courage to do that, to come up here and have that conversation. And so, there's a lot of that. People, it's important. All right, well, listen, man. Bro, first off, thanks for sitting in the seat up here, running mics around and stuff. All right. Yeah. To this guy. Yeah, thanks. And Izzy, this is your last semester with us? Yo, can we give a hand for Izzy? And Darnisha, of course. Yeah. And thanks, Darnisha. And the grading TAs, the attendance TAs, thanks, Dele and team, and the camera operators, man. Thanks. Wait, can you come in back? I don't know if you guys have ever been back here, but wait, can you put you guys up, put yellow up on the stream? Oh yeah, there you go. All right. It's pretty cool, actually. Like, I feel really honored that. So, yeah. Yeah, it's very cool. Hey, but mostly, hey, thank you all. Like, really, thanks for being part of this. Thanks for taking the risks. Thanks for being willing to have the cameras in the room. And because it's cool, man. I would stop, actually, but there's so many people who are thankful to be able to watch is cool. So anyway, give yourselves a round of applause, man. All right.